So, who qualifies for qualified immunity and how? The person who is accused of violating someone's rights, in these cases, the police officers, have to invoke qualified immunity when a suit is filed against them. The burden is then shifted to the plaintiff, the person accusing the officer of wrongdoing, to prove qualified immunity does not apply. They would do this through a two-part test. Part 1, was someone's constitutional rights violated? If yes, move on to Part 2. Has this right been clearly established? If the answer is yes, there was a clearly established right, qualified immunity is not granted. If no, this right is not clearly established, qualified immunity is granted, and the officer does not have to stand civil trial. Now, here's where it gets tricky. The court can use its discretion to skip the first question altogether and jump directly to the second question. In practice, answering the second question or proving that someone's right was clearly established often requires pointing to another circumstance where almost the exact same things happened. Otherwise, the officer will be granted qualified immunity no matter how egregious their actions may seem. So what this means is, if we didn't hold an official accountable one time for something, we can't hold them accountable the next time. Let that sink in. That makes qualified immunity sound like an endless cycle. Is it possible to break? Make sure you like, subscribe, and follow, and we'll see you there.